Welcome to the Getting Started training demo for Plex. In this demo, we're going to go over how to log into Plex, some tips and tricks on how to navigate within Plex, supplier management, and contact management. Plex is accessible and compatible with most browsers. The link to the login screen, which is shown here, is www.plexonline.com. This link is also available on CVG's main website, cvgrp.com, under the supplier section. If the browser and PC being used is never accessed Plex, the user will need to follow the PC setup instructions for their browser. This button is found in the top left of the login screen. Users will also need to enter in their user ID, password, and company code that was provided to them. After entering your credentials, hit the Login button. This will navigate you to the Supplier Portal screen. The menu nodes on the page will take you into various modules that you can access within Plex. The first step I want to show you is by taking your mouse and hovering it over the CVG menu. If you click this main menu button, it will always bring you back to the Supplier Portal homepage. Next on the hover menu is the refresh page. Clicking this will refresh the page that you're currently on. After this is the Managing Favorites. To do that, go over to Personalize, click on Managing Favorites, and this will bring you to the Favorites page for this user ID. To add a menu node to your favorites, select the menu node, and then go over and assign any F key that you wish to assign to it. Afterwards, you can go ahead and hit Save F keys, and now your favorites have been saved. If later you wish to remove it, it's as simple as going in and hitting the red X and saving again. Next is where you can go to change your password. To do this, go back to the hover menu, go under Personalize, and select Change Password. You'll have to enter in your new password twice, as well as your old password once, and after you're done, hit Update. If you wish to update any information about the user ID, go back to the hover menu, go to Personalize, and click the Edit Personal Info. Here you'll be able to update your email address, office phone with extension, fax number, mobile number, and add any notes that you wish. After any updates have been made or changes, click Update. If you wish to log out of Plex, you can either close your current browser window or go over the hover menu and click Log Out. Next, I'm going to show you the Supplier Management module. To get there, go back up and click Main Menu. This will take us back to the Supplier Portal welcome page, and click on the Supplier Management module. In the Supplier Management module, if you wish to edit or view some of your supplier information, in the Supplier Code section, you can click on the hyperlink available in there. You can also go over and view all your certifications, any issues currently logged in Problem Control, the email associated with your user account, and any attachments that have been included. So I'm going to show you what you can see in your supplier details. So here you can see your supplier name, supplier code that has been assigned to you, as well as some other relevant information. The important part is down here you'll also be able to include your certifications and also change some of your supplier contact information. To do this, all you would do is delete any existing contact that's in there, click the binoculars, and if you have any additional user you wish to select based off your contacts, you would click them, and then this would also update the supplier email that's associated to that contact. So if you did make any updates, please make sure that you go up and hit the update button afterwards. Next is certifications. To do that, we're going to go ahead and click into the Add Delete Certification button. And then over here, under the certification, you can see this drop down. This is where you'll be able to select the type of certification you wish to add, any note you wish to include with the certification, valid start date, as well as an expiration date. To save your certification, all you have to do is go up and hit the green plus button. After you've done that, the certification has now been successfully saved to your supplier. You're also able to go in and add any attachments to your certification, or delete the certification by clicking this red X. The last thing I'm going to cover is contact management. The contact management screen is going to allow the users to maintain their own supplier contact information from within Plex. To navigate there, we're going to go back to the main menu, and then from here we're going to click on the menu node Contact Management. On this screen you'll be able to see all the current contacts that have been entered for your supplier. If you wish to add additional ones, go up to the top of the screen and select Add. While adding a contact, there are three required fields: the first name, the last name, and the email address. It's important to make a note that all Plex-generated emails to a specified contact will use the email address that is entered in this section. After you enter those fields, go up and select Add. All other fields are considered optional, but we recommend filling in as many fields as possible. Well, this concludes the Getting Started demo for Plex. I hope you now have a better working knowledge of the topics we covered today. Thank you and have a great day.